at one stage, what happens? What happens to the... Will it become a circle or it tends to become a circle? Tends to become a circle. So that is the meaning of limits. Okay. Limits is when n tends to infinity. Okay. To increase. At one stage, it tends to become a circle. Then that polygon, n polygon tends to become a circle. Okay, this only means limit. When you say limit, when x tends to a, f of x tends to l. Okay. Symbolically, when you write limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to l. This is the meaning of limit. Okay. But when you do the sum, for example, limit x tends to 2, x square minus 2 by x minus 2. Okay. You have to evaluate this one. Okay. So when you do, you will be substituting x is equal to 2. So I will get 2 square minus 4 by 2 minus 2. So I will get 0 by 0 form. Okay. This 0 by 0 form will be called as indeterminate form. We cannot determine it. It's indeterminate form. Okay. So that's why what you have to do, you are going to study 4 different methods. Okay. First is direct substitution. Next is factorization. Okay. Factorization. You are using factors. Here we can factorize. Now, how will you factorize this one? X square minus, this is limit x tends to x plus 2, x minus 2 by x minus 2. So this get cancelled. So what is the value of x? Substitute x is equal, so it is 4. This is equal to 4. This is you are doing factorization. Next is formula method. Okay. Just you are applying the formula to evaluate the limits. So the first exercise is only to evaluate, and next is you are going to find whether the limit exists or not. Okay. To limit exists, this meaning is okay, 2. So when you take the value nearer to 2, it's 1.9, very near, not very far away, very near to 2 is 1.999. Okay. So when you apply here, it becomes 1.99 plus 2 is 3.99 or 3.999. So nearly becoming 4. So this we say as 2 minus. Okay, 2 minus is not minus 2. 2 minus means left side of 2. All values left side of 2. When you take right side, you have 2.01, 2.00001, any number you get in. So when you add with this one, 2.01 plus 2 is 4.01, 4.0001. This value we say 2 plus. Okay. Right side we say 2 plus. Means when a limit should exist means this left hand limit, that is left hand limit, we write in short form, limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. Right hand limit. Both the limit should exist. Both the limit should exist. When limit exists, both are equal, then limit exists. If both are not equal, limit does not exist. So this only we are going to do in the first exercise. Okay. Now we will take the definition. Straight away go for definition. Take definition. Definition. When x tends to a, when x tends to a, f of x tends to L. When x tends to a, f of x tends to L. When x tends to a, f of x tends to L. Symbolically we write limit, you can write LIM also. Okay. Limit LT, I used to write LT, you can write LIM also, you can write. Limit extends to A, f of x equal to L. Symbolically we write limit extends to A, f of x equal to L. Next heading we take evaluation of limits. Evaluation of limits. Number 1, direct substitution. Number 1, direct substitution. Number 2, factorization method. Factorization method. Number 3, formula method. Number 3, formula method. Exercise 13.1. Exercise 13.1. Question number 1. Limit x tends to 3, x plus 3. So substitute x is equal to 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. This is direct substitution. This comes under direct substitution. Question number 4. Limit x tends to 4, 4x plus 3 by x minus 2. First you substitute and see. I'll get, when you substitute, you are substituting for value of x, you have to continue writing limit. Once you substitute, I get 4 into 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 2. So how much? 19 by 2. It's 19 by 2. It's factorization. Factorization. 7th one. Limit x tends to 2, 3x square minus x minus 10 by x square minus 2. X square minus 4. So by the substitution, you get 2 square is what? 4. 4 minus 4?
0.
So it comes to 0 by 0 form. Okay. So you just check. Don't substitute always and see. Here we know it's very simple, so we substitute it. Factorization of this is what? 3x square minus x minus 10. So 30, split the middle term. I should get minus 1. So 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10. So first two, 3x is common, x minus 2 plus 5 is common, x minus 2. So x minus 2 into 3x plus 5. So now this is equal to limit x tends to 2, 3x plus 5 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2. So denominator, you know it is in the form a square minus b square form. So a plus b, a minus b. So which factor is hindering here? That is x minus 2. Because when you put 2, it becomes 0 by 0 form. So this factor will get cancelled. So now you substitute. It won't come 0 by 0 form. Because x minus 2 is 2 minus 2 is 0. So that one is hindering this fact. Okay, so I'll get now 3 into 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 2. So I'll get 11 by 4. 11 by 4. So this only is factorization method. This is factorization method. Even 8th sum. Question number 8. Limit x tends to 3, x power 4 minus 81 by 2x square minus 5x minus 3. You know the formula for a power 4 minus b power 4? No. Take the formula. A power 4 minus B power 4 is formula. A power 4 minus B power 4 is A square plus B square into A plus B into A minus B. This is the formula. So now we will put limit. The second part, 2x square minus 5x minus 3 will be 6. 6 means 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3. So 2x common, x minus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3. So I will get x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. So we will now write limit x tends to 3. 84 can be written as 84. See, this is power 4 means with what power you can write your array. When you get 84? 3 power. 3 power. 3 power. This is x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. So this formula is x square plus 3 square into x plus 3 into x minus 3. Limit should come. Limit x tends to 3 divided by, yes,
3 power 4 is 81.
81 only.
84.
81. 4 I said this is 4. That 81 is there, no? So which power 4 you get 81 I asked. 84 I said. So I get x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. So this get cancelled. So I get 3 square plus 3 square into 3 plus 3 divided by 2 into 3 plus 1. Tell me the total. Okay, how much you get? It's 9 plus 9, 18. 18 into 6. 18 6 are 108 divided by 7. 108 divided by 7. Okay, completed. Now we will go by formula method. See, limit x tends to a, x power n, a power n by x minus a is nothing but n into a power n minus 1. When you go for long division, this part you get this answer. N into a power n minus 1. Remaining part, this is all 1. You want to get the series and you can use prove this. Because of time factor I am not proving. Sin 0, you know 0. Sin 0 is 0 by 0. It's 0 by 0 form. But by proof you get sin x by x is equal to 1. Cos 0 is 1. tan x you can split sin x by cos x. Since sin x by x is 1, so that will become 1. So these 4 formulas now you are going to apply. Okay. So just note down the formulas. Limit x tends to 0, x plus 1 the whole power 5 minus 1 by x. Before we had binomial theorem. So I used to do by binomial theorem, this one, that chapter is deleted. So we cannot use that one. So what I am going to do is, I am going to use the first formula. X tends to 0, x plus 1 the whole power 5 minus 1 power 5 by x plus 1 minus 1. Can I write? Can I write? The denominator add and subtracted. But here x tends to 0, that x tends to a. So to convert that x tends to a, let us do one substitution. Let x plus 1 equal to t. As x tends to 0, this tends to 0, your t tends to 1. This method you understood? When you do a substitution, 2 sums are there. When you do, you get practice that. Because the limit is varying, I have to get x tends to a, whatever you can see. X a. So x tends to a. But what I am getting here, x tends to 0. So to make it x tends to 1, I am doing one substitution. Okay. What substitution I am making? X plus 1 is t. So this limit changes. When x tends to 0, when I put x is equal to 0, what happens to t? It tends to 1. So this changes to limit. T tends to 1, t power 5 minus 1 power 5 by t minus 1. Now we are getting the formula. So what is the answer? What is the answer? N into a power n minus 1. So 5 into 1 power 5 minus 1. Answer is 5. Anything power 1 is 1 only. Just for understanding, I wrote 1 power 4. So clear the substitution method. What you are doing? Okay. Now you see here, z tends to 1 is there, but what is missing to get that formula? Power is there, the denominator is not there, no? In both the cases, denominator is not there. So what do you do? Multiply and divide by what? Z minus 1 to get that formula. You understand what I am saying? What you are doing is, saying, question number, this is limit z tends to 1, z power 1 by 3 minus 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 1 by z power 1 by 6 minus 1. Now we are getting back the formula. I will rearrange. How I am going to rearrange this? Z tends to 1, z power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 by z minus 1 into 1 by z power 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 by. Are we getting the formula? We get the formula. As per the formula, what is the answer? 1 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 1 by denominator 1 by 6, 1 by 6 minus 1. Don't bother about 1 power. 1 power is anything, even in minus also is what? 1. So only concentrate this one. I'll get the 6 becomes where? 6 by 3. Answer is 2. So now it's your thing. You have to find out which thing I have to apply to get the answer. That only is the main thing. Evaluation. Okay. Some won't tell use factorization, use formula. You should. Okay. Go for the next one. See, sign is coming. Sign means what is the limit should be there? 0. What are you getting? 5. So what I have to do? Substitution. Do one substitution. So let pi minus x equal to t. Pi minus 6 is equal to t. Okay. As x tends to pi, t tends to 0. Substitute x is equal to pi. Okay, so t tends to 0. So this becomes, now this is limit t tends to 0 sin t by pi into t. Now you are getting? You are getting sin t by t with the limit t tends to 0. Answer is what? 1 by pi. That you have to remember. Okay, sin x by x is always 1. When? That's why I told write the limit. Without limit you cannot say this 1. You have to write the limit till you substitute. Okay. Now I substituted. So this circle becomes 1. So pi is there, so 1 by pi. So in this sum, when you apply the thing, you get 0 by 0 form. Just see. This becomes 0. This becomes 0. Denominator automatically becomes 0 because sin 0 by 0 is 0. So what I have to do? This I need by x. No. Then it becomes 1. Here I have to remove the x. So when I remove the x, I will get x tends to 0. I will remove it. A plus cos x divided by b sin x divided by x into x. Put a circle. Why I am putting circle? You should not touch hereafter because it is 1. Okay. Now this x get cancelled. Cancel. Now apply the limit. When you apply the limit, I get a plus cos 0 divided divided by b into 1. Cos 0, 1 by b. Before doing, you should not apply. Okay. You write something. Same way 20th sum also. The common mistake what they do, once they get sin x, they apply the limit. You should not apply because you are having x there. No, can you see x? Here also you get 1x. Okay, here what you have to do? An angle is ax. That means sin ax divided by ax, just circle into ax. Plus what I am doing here, I am multiplying dividing by ax to make it 1 divided by ax plus sin bx by bx into bx. Immediately what they do is apply the limit. Apply the limit, this only becomes 1. What about the x? X becomes 0, no? That is again you get 0 by 0 form. So first you remove that x. Extends to the, remove that x. I get sin ax by ax, so circle it, into a plus b divided by, again take x outside, a plus sin bx by bx into b. Okay. Now cancel this x. Now you apply the limit. What I get? This becomes 1. So I have 1 into a plus b by a plus b into 1. So answer is 1. A plus b by a plus b is 1. Okay. Clear now? This method how you have to do? Okay, complete, just tell me. Here do we need to do substitution method? Substitution is needed?
No.
No, why? Cos 0 is what? 1. So no need for substitution. No, cos, straight away you get cos 0 by pi minus 0. The answer is 1 by pi over. So blindly don't do, you have to do substitution because already it is 0 only. Cos 0 we know it is 1. This one I'll just change the thing. I'll tell you why we are changing. Okay. So 1 minus cos x. Why I am changing? Anyone? Can you tell me? Anyone? Hmm? Trigonometry we are going to study. What is 1 minus cos 2x? What is 1 minus cos 2x? 2 sin squared x by 2 sin squared x by 2. Okay. One is sin squared x, next is sin squared x by 2. I told you, this is a very important formula. Okay. This is limit, so 2 to get cancelled, x tends to 0, the meaning is sin x the whole square. Okay, by x square into x square, because square is coming. Okay, divided by sin x by 2 the whole square, and is by 2. So x by 2 the whole square into x by 2 the whole square. So limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1 implies limit x tends to 0, sin x by x the whole square also is what? 1. 1 square, it is 1. Okay. You understood? This formula don't forget. So this becomes 1 now. This also 1. Okay. X square get cancelled, no? X square. So what do you get? Okay, 1 by 4 is there, no? The answer is what? 4. 4 is the answer. Clear? Or you want to write separately? You want to write? You want to write again? See, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x the whole square into x square by sin x by 2 by x by 2 the whole square into x square by 4. Okay, cancel. So answer is 1 by 4. Answer is 4. Answer is 4. Okay. So remember this formula: 1 minus cos 2x and 1 minus cos x. Just take the attendance of you. This is batch, you close.